Hi, I'm Trish. Do you remember me?
Oh, hi. What's up, Trish?
In this video, I will tell you an easy way to create audio effects such as voice on the phone using Premiere Pro. Here I have inserted a video clip and audio. I will hide the video part so that the video playback does not stutter. Because I want to edit the audio in the initial conversation, I need to unlink the audio and then split the audio file by pressing Ctrl+K.
Hi, I'm Trish. Do you remember me?
Oh, hi. What's up, Trish?
Go to the Effects panel. Search for the Highpass effect. Drag and drop the effect onto the audio file that you want to add an effect to. After that, look for the Lowpass effect. Drag and drop the effect again. Next step, go to the Effect Controls panel. On the cutoff in the Highpass effect, I changed the value to 1000 Hz. And on cutoff in the Lowpass effect, I changed it to 8000 Hz. And the result will be like this.
Hi, I'm Trish. Do you remember me?
Oh, hi. What's up, Trish?
Hi, I'm Trish. Do you remember me?
Oh, hi. What's up, Trish?
Thank you for watching, and see you in another tutorial.